Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. It is an honor to address such a distinguished crowd. Please allow me to introduce ourselves. We major in bakery cafe. Our name is 지원옥, 주빈문, 지연아, and 상하철. We are going to present about the history and future of baking in Korea. Our presentation is 4 parts: the history, present, future of Korean baking, and what we need to do in the future. Let's now take a look at the history of baking in Korea. Late period of Joseon, bread was first introduced by a missionary. It was during the Japanese control that bread became widely known. In 1945, starting with Iseongdang, personal bakeries began to emerge. In the 1960s, mass production bread manufacturers such as Samli Food, Seoul Food appeared. And in the 1980s, franchise bakeries began to form in earnest. Now, I'd like to hand over to Jubin.
Let me turn to the issue of the present of baking in Korea. With the development of prison bread dough, production has become easier in the workplace, and warm bread can be easily eaten at home. It is changing from large bakery, such as 파리바게트 and 뚜레쥬르, to cafe-type bakeries. The number of bakery cafes specializing in subdivided products, such as donut and cake, has increased. I will pass you over to Jiyeon.
Let's move on to the future of baking in Korea. We think that in the future, dough face-to-face orders and delivery services will be expanded, and the menu will be developed for delivery. Interest in the environment will increase, and vegan bakery will develop. As interest in baking increases, there will be more one-day classes where you can enjoy your hobbies will increase. Now I will hand it over to Sana.
Finally, we're going to look at measures for the future. Bakeries should actively conduct online marketing using SNS, such as Instagram and YouTube. Companies should attract online shops, such as Ideas, to provide opportunities for various bakery shops to enter, and develop serving robots and delivery robots that can drive autonomously. The state should promote festivals or local food markets where local food culture can be enjoyed. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.